miniPCR digital labs give you a new way to teach biology and implement miniPCR learning labs, whether or not you have access to hands-on tools. Our digital labs are online resources that help support students as they complete an experiment, whether that means guiding students through a hands-on learning lab or running a virtual lab simulation. Every miniPCR digital lab is built to overcome lab day hurdles and help every biology learner reach their full potential by capturing students' attention with compelling narratives and rich visuals, streamlining assessment with auto-graded questions and tracking class performance in a click, and allowing every student to complete the lab, even in the face of experimental errors, using reference results to always enable analysis. miniPCR digital labs offer you flexibility so that you can carry out experiments in the way that's right for your students. Digital lab companions guide students through a hands-on learning lab. Accessed on students' own devices, they include step-by-step instructions and assessment questions, so you can ditch that printed lab manual. Or assign a fully virtual and self-paced digital lab simulation to enable asynchronous learning as though students were in lab. You can even flip your classroom by assigning a digital lab simulation as homework to ensure students arrive ready for the real, live, hands-on lab. The choice is yours. You invest a lot of effort in making sure that your students have a great lab day experience. miniPCR Digital helps you ensure that that effort pays off. To learn more, you can visit digital.minipcr.com.